Hello and welcome to the video. In iOS 14.5, Apple have added a few small tweaks to the Music app. So in this video I'm going to just go through them very quickly. So if we launch into Music, the first thing I'm going to show you are some new swipe gestures. So in the same way that you can swipe on an email or a message in iMessage to take action on it, you can now do the same for songs. So if I take a look at this song at the top here and swipe my finger from left to right on this first song, you can see we have two options now. These options are to add this song to my now playing queue. So the blue one allows me to ask for this song to be played next, and the orange one will put this right to the bottom of my now playing queue. So it will basically be added to the queue rather than being played as the next song. And if I swipe back and now swipe from right to left, you can see we have a couple of other options. We have delete, which will allow me to remove it from my library. Next to that we have another blue one, which is to download the song for offline listening if I want to do that. So you have those options right there. So those are the new swipe gestures. Now the second music feature in iOS 14.5 is the ability to share lyrics. So if I go back to my library and I'm just going to look for a song that I know has lyrics in Apple Music. So if I go to here and just pause that so it doesn't play, and in the bottom left corner you can see I've got the lyrics icon, and if I tap on that you can see we have the lyrics for the song. Now what you can now do is go to the top right of the music player and tap on these three dots. If I tap on these you can see I've got a new option which is share lyrics. Now this works in a different way to how you would expect. Effectively, what you can do is you can share up to 150 characters of lyrics. As you can see at the top, it tells me how many I've used. And the way you do it is by simply tapping on each of the lyrics lines. So if I wanted to choose the next line, you can see that now becomes highlighted. And you can see my character count has been updated. So I can see I've now used 96 out of my 150 characters. So I can keep tapping until obviously I fill up that limit. You can see down here that these bottom two lines of lyrics are actually greyed out, and that's because if I tap on those I will end up going over my 150 character limit. I can still tap on this one here, but now I've reached the limit, and as you can see all the rest of them are greyed out because adding any of them will cause me to go over the limit. And from here, once I've selected all of my lyrics that I want to share, I can just go and share it in any way. So I've got my sharing options that I can normally use. So that's how you can share lyrics. And the final noticeable part of music in iOS 14.5 are some new city charts. So if I go back and out of here and go to browse, you can see I've got them here. So if I just scroll down, they appeared briefly. Here we are. If we have a look, you can see city charts. So these are effectively charts for individual cities. So we've had kind of charts for countries, which will basically show, as you can see below, top 100 songs in the UK or global or any other country. But if I tap on city charts and next to it we've got see all, you can see this is basically going to show all sorts of cities from around the world and the top 25 songs that are playing in those cities. So we've got all different types of cities from everywhere across the world, and if I tap on one of them, you can see I get the top 25 songs for that city. So it's a nice way to kind of explore different types of music and what's popular at the moment around the world, if that's something you want to do. Now, other small changes in music include the release dates of songs and albums being more precisely shown, so it will show the date and month of the release rather than just the year. And there's a new For You section which uses algorithms to make better suggestions based on existing automated playlists, but those are the things you can't see, so I can't exactly show them to you. But those are basically the new additions in music in iOS 14.5. If you have any questions on anything in this video, then do leave them in the comments section of this video. And if you found this video helpful, do hit the thumbs up button to let me know. Please do also remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.